Hi, I'm Andrew Beckwith, President of Massachusetts Family Institute. Across the country, there's a growing movement to defund Planned Parenthood. In fact, 10 states have already stopped sending taxpayer money to the abortion juggernaut, in large part in reaction to the horrific video expose of last summer that depicted Planned Parenthood selling baby body parts. Even here in Massachusetts, there's an effort to remove state funding from Planned Parenthood. In fact, last fiscal year, Planned Parenthood and their affiliates in Massachusetts received almost $2.5 million from the Commonwealth of Massachusetts. But a pro-abortion state representative recently told one of our volunteers, "Don't worry, Planned Parenthood's not mentioned in the Massachusetts budget at all." Okay, well, let me take a minute to show you, and that state rep if he's watching, exactly how this works and how you can find every penny that our Commonwealth gives to Planned Parenthood in about 2 minutes or less. Since I'm not an accountant, here's how I would explain it. Let me give you an example of a budget that I think we can all identify with. Chris and Laura have a household budget for groceries, gas, utilities, travel, dining out, categories like that. Now, Chris really likes to eat Chick-fil-A, but he and Laura don't have a budget category for Chick-fil-A. In fact, if you search their budget, you would not find any mention of Chick-fil-A. It's covered under the category of dining out, or maybe Chris tries to squeeze some of it under groceries. But the point is, if you want to find Chick-fil-A, you have to go to their checking account and look for the actual money spent. Now, we don't have access to Chris's checking account, but we do have the ability to see what's in the checkbook for the Commonwealth of Massachusetts. Go to the Open Checkbook site for Massachusetts and click on Recipient. Just type in Planned Parenthood. Here we see that Massachusetts has already given over $1 million to Planned Parenthood in fiscal year 2016. If you click on Planned Parenthood League of Massachusetts, Inc., you can then click on Payment Details to see the individual transactions. Almost $25,000 in February, and the budget category or account that this is paid through is detailed as well. In this case, it is line item 4513-1000. Family Health Services. To find out how much is budgeted for 2016 for this category, bring up the current final state budget. Then run a text search for 4513-1000. There you see over $5 million earmarked for comprehensive family planning services. I think we all know what that means. So there you have it. Feel free to email me with any questions or comments at info@mafamily.org. And please share this video with your friends, neighbors, or maybe your state representative or state senator. Oh, and we checked. None of our tax dollars are spent on Chick-fil-A. More for Chris.